Lesitudle isipofu yabo sinomlomo omkhulu.
Oh,
You know?
ngiyibona leyo video. What you
Amalinge. So, you know, to me, that's like bullying. And I had to cry to this friend because it's my first time. What?
Yeah.
Awash. You know? And to me, it was like, hey, are these people? And then after that, it's things after things where
your skin grows thicker.
Yes.
Thicker.
Because I'd have these accounts, these ghost accounts, who would comment kumsebenzi wami and say, "Ay, but akukho kuhle ngale ndlela yabo owenza ngathi." So I'd have to accept and say, this is some of the people I was worried about. You know, I know I'm doing best, so then that's fine.
And the thing about being friends with celebrity is that ufakwa under.
Yes, and my love, can I tell you, some people think for other people, yes. Some people think if you're a friend with a celebrity, it's for clout. I am not one for clout. I bond. The friends that I have today, celebrity or not, people know. Whether you're a celebrity or not, I never hold anyone higher than the other. So it's about connection. It's not for clout. Everything that I do, it's for connection, not for clout.
And there's things just fall into place on their own. It's not you chasing.
It's not me chasing.
Exactly.
You can never fake connection.
Yeah.
Fake just because hey, no. To me, it's not like that. Yeah, but if we are friends, then it's genuine. It's either I saw something in you, then I really like you for that.
When are you adding speaker to your CV? Motivational speaker.
Are you serious? Should I?
When are you releasing a book? See, I'm busy.
Hey, Chuck Norris.
Yeah.